Struggling to keep your stock organized? Discover the best inventory management solutions that can streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and save you money. From cutting-edge software to essential strategies, find out what works best for your business and take control of your inventory today. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you which platform is the best inventory management software. So you have just right now to dive into firstly Zoho.com. About the first one, if you want also here Square.com, so I will show you which one is the best. Then we have Odoo.com. Then we have also here Sortly.com, and the last one which is Bittrex24.com. So the first one we have here is Zoho. Zoho offers a comprehensive suite of over 45 integrated applications, making it a one-stop solution for various business needs. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features ensure quick adoption and tailored functionality. With competitive pricing and cloud-based access, it's accessible for businesses of all sizes. Plus, robust customer support helps users maximize their experience effortlessly. So to get started, you have just to dive into Zoho.com. This is the homepage as you can see, and you will find here the button sign up if you want to get started with Zoho. So then you will find this page after signing up. Click over the button sign up. Start with your free account today. So you have to write your email address, your password, then you click over I agree to your team service and privacy policy. Then you click over sign up for free and you get started with Zoho.com. So we have also here other things that its benefits with Zoho. You have just read this information to know more about Zoho and how it works. So we have Zoho for Enterprise. Also, privacy is our responsibility. The core values and principles that drives us. Long-term commitment, focus on research and development, customer-first philosophy as well. So you have just to get started with Zoho.com, and then that's it for this one. And let's move into the next one, which is Square.com. So here we have Square.com, and this is the platform, or this is the homepage. So Square offers a user-friendly platform for easy payment processing and business management. Its comprehensive tools cover everything from invoicing to inventory management, all accessible via mobile. With transparent pricing and no hidden fees, business can easily manage costs. Plus, robust analytics provide valuable insights to drive growth and improve decision making. So to get started, you have just to click over get started and you will find this page as you can see. So let's create your account. Signing up for Square is fast and free. No commitments or long-term contracts required. You have to write your email address, your password, then you choose the local here. As you can see, then here click over I agree to Square's team's privacy policy and sign consent. Then you click over continue and you will find other page. So this is it for Square, and if we scroll down we will find here the benefits that like work smarter, automate for efficiency, and open up new revenue streams under the software and hardware platform millions of business trust. So if we click over the pricing here, we will find this page. So plans for every stage, we have two packages. So we have here it's absolutely for free. So sell in person, online, over the phone, or out in the field. No setup fees or monthly fees, only pay when you take a payment. So you click over get started for free and then you get started with Square. So that's it for Square, and let's move on to the next one, which is Odoo.com. So Odoo provides an all-in-one solution with a comprehensive suite of applications for CRM, accounting, inventory, and more. Its customizable modules allow businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. With a user-friendly interface, Odoo ensures quick onboarding and easy navigation. Plus, its scalable design makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, enhancing productivity as you grow. So You have just right now to click over try for free, or you can just click over start now, it's free, and you'll find other page which is this one, choose your apps, free instant access, no credit card required. So you have just to choose one apps. For example, here we have websites such as website, e-commerce, e-learning, live chat as well. Then we have here sales like CRM, sales, invoicing, sign point of sale, restaurant subscription, rental, file service also. Here we have here operations, accounting, help desk, knowledge, inventory, project, purchase, timesheets, and we have documents as well. So this is for Udo and how you can get started with Udo. So you have just to choose one app and then you get started. Then we have here also about the pricing. So let's go to the pricing here. We will find it's absolutely for free for one app, only limited users Udo online. So this is it. And then we have here Sortly. So Sortly.com features a user-friendly interface that simplifies inventory management with visual catalogs and customizable labels. Its mobile app allows for on-the-go tracking, making it convenient for businesses with flexible organization options. Users can tailor the system to meet their specific inventory needs. So this is it for shortly. You can just get started and start a free trial, or as you can see. So once you click over start a free trial, you'll find this page. As you can see, you have just to link your email, your name and your email address, and create a password here, and you click over create an account, or you can just use Google as a second option. So here we have a simple, fast, and powerful inventory software and business for businesses and teams to stay organized. So this is for this one. And then we have here about the pricing. It's absolutely for free also. So as you can see, it's absolutely for free. And then we have here also the next one, which is Bittrex 24. So Bittrex 24 provides a comprehensive set of tools combining CRM project management and communication features in one platform. Its user-friendly interface enhances team collaboration and productivity, making workflow smoother with a flexible pricing model, including a free version. It caters to businesses of all sizes. So to get started, you have just to click over start for free and you'll find this page, write your email address, and you get started with Bittrex 24. So about the pricing, it's absolutely for free, as you can see. So if I had to pick one, Zoho would be the best overall choice for its comprehensive sort of integrated applications that cater to various business needs, including CRM, project management, and finance. It's versatile, customizable, and suitable for businesses of all sizes. So I think Zoho is very useful and helpful to use it. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.